How to command respect instantly. Psychological hacks. Number 1, carry yourself in a respectable manner. This means that it has to start with you, okay? You have to respect yourself first, and that's gonna bring you the respect of others. That's gonna make you the highly regarded person, okay? That people know, okay, this is a person that I can rely on. This is a person that knows what he's doing and he has his shit together. So you always want to respect yourself first and carry yourself in a respectable manner, because everything that you want from life, it has to start with you, and you have to believe that you can get it, okay? If you believe that you are a respected, highly regarded person, and you view yourself as a person that should be respected, like others are gonna respect you, but you have to respect yourself first. Number 2 is to respect others and they will respect you in return. You can't expect somebody to respect you if you don't respect that person first, okay? You need to respect what they are doing, okay? What they are trying to achieve. And you have to have a respect for that. Don't try to disrespect them and think that they should respect you in return. It's never gonna work. You have to always respect all the things that the person is doing before you expect some respect from their side as well. And if they treat you poorly and they disrespect you and they don't believe in your things that you do, like, you don't have to care. Because if you respect yourself, like I talked in the first point, if you carry yourself in a respectable manner and you believe in your things, you believe in your powers, and you respect yourself, you don't need their respect, because you know who you are and you can carry yourself with that and you can live with that. And so you always want to respect others and respect what they do, no matter what it is, because then they will respect you in return. Number 3 is to get rid of toxic people in your life. You are your first priority, okay? Or at least you should be, okay? If you don't view yourself as your first priority, you should really think about your life, and you should start respecting yourself and trying to fulfill your life and yourself, because if you are not doing that constantly on a daily basis, you will allow toxic people to join your life. You need to eliminate toxic people who don't respect you, even if you respected them and they still don't respect you, or they laugh at your goals or your dreams and all of those things. You have to remove yourself from them as much as possible. I know sometimes it might be hard, because some of them might be your family members, some of them might be your classmates, and you need to spot these people and try to eliminate the contact with them as much as possible, because they're toxic and you don't want to have anything with them. Number 4 is to conduct yourself with class. Be a person who has some kind of class. You don't want to look immature. You don't want to look that you don't know what life is all about. You want to be viewed as a person who knows what life is all about, and who knows what life brings to the table and how much responsibilities you will have to deal with, okay? And conduct yourself with class just basically means that you have a cold, unbreakable mind. You don't change moods fast and they don't fluctuate a lot. And also, other people's opinions are not gonna change your mind suddenly. You have your own opinion on things and you're able to control it, and you believe in the things that you are doing, okay? And you don't let others discourage you from believing in those things. Secondly, it means to be aware of your actions and your reactions. You need to be aware of what you are doing in a day, as well as how much you react and how you respond to certain things. Could be anything, could be your family, could be school, could be work, any of those things. And lastly is to think before you speak, okay? A lot of the times when you decide to speak, you don't need to speak. Speaking is great. It's a great way to communicate with other people, definitely. But a lot of the times it's just better to stay quiet and don't say a word. Number 5 is to be realistic. I think you probably know that life is hard, that life sometimes is really difficult to handle, but you always need to know that there always will be some people who are probably better than you and who are further in their way, and they look just better than you, and they might have better six-pack or better biceps or better clothes, better personality, all of those things. You have to accept that and you have to be okay with it, and you should respect them for that. Instead of blaming them or blaming yourself for being such an idiot, an asshole, and such a loser, instead of doing that, try to learn what they did to get their success, okay? Try to learn from them and respect them. And that's gonna be the best thing that you can do with a person that is or that looks better than you and looks more successful than you. And the last thing that I have for you today is to achieve more. Achieving more is gonna be the main factor that is going to get you the respect that you are looking for. That's gonna get you the respect from other men, and that's gonna get you the respect from women as well. So you always want to build your life up and build your self-esteem up, and all of your lifestyle, grooming, health, and all of those things up, because after that hard work that you did is gonna pay off, okay? You're gonna be a highly respected person. People will think that you have a crazy success, because you will actually have a crazy success, and they will respect you a lot, because when you achieve more, you become more successful, and they start to be jealous about your life. They start to judge themselves and compare yourself to you. Some of them will hate you because they can't just handle your success and they're jealous of it. But some will actually respect you, and they will try to learn from you, okay? They will try to learn from you what you did to get there. And those people are actually great, okay? So keep those around and you're good to go. And that's all for me in today's video. And if you would like to support me and my work on this content, consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, or commenting under this video. Maybe you can even suggest a topic that you want me to talk about. Thank you for all the support so far. Thank you for all the new subscribers that came to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.